Hello students, this is our second class of business studies, and we have discussed the human activities, the classification of human activities, and today we are going to discuss the economic activity, the classification of the economic activity. And the economic activity are classified majorly into three categories, that is business, profession and employment. In short, BPE, the business, profession and employment. And let's have a look on them, the classification of the economic activity, business, profession and employment, one by one. So what is business? So firstly we are going to understand the meaning of business. The business is an economic activity which are concerned with the production, sale, purchase and distribution of goods and services for the motive of earning profit. So we have to focus on the root word of the meaning of business. What are the root words, students? The root words are production. Business is an economic activity. So the first root word is business is an economic activity. Economic activity and concerned with production, purchase, sale and distribution. And what? Distribution of goods and services, of goods and services. So actually the meaning of business is what? The business is an economic activity which concerned with the production, sale, purchase and distribution of goods and services for the motive to earn profit. And the word business is derived from the word busy. Thus business means being busy. The person who engaged in the business are called as entrepreneur. I hope you people very well understand the concept of business here. Let's have a look on the other classification of economic activity, that is profession and employment. Profession refer to the economic activity which require the special knowledge and the skill to be applied by an individual in his work to earn a living. For examples, doctor, lawyer, teachers. So the root word in the profession are found to be, they are the individuals who are having the specialized knowledge and the personal skill, and with the help of these personalized knowledge and the personal skill they provide the services and facilitate the services to the people in order to earn the living or income. These person are known as professional, और ऐसे बंदों को हम प्रोफेशनल कहते हैं. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ देम? डॉक्टर, लॉयर, टीचर, अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोफेशन. What is employment? Employment refer to the activity in which a person work regularly for the another person. एक बंदा लगातार दूसरे बंदे के लिए काम करता है for a fixed remuneration, for a fixed salary or a fixed wage or fixed compensation. Example, people who works in bank, insurance company, government departments, manager, assistant, clerk, peons, security guard are the examples of the employment. Employment, the person who give the job to the other are known as employer. हम उसे क्या कहते हैं बेटा? employer कहते हैं. And the person who do the job for the other are known as employee. उसे हम employee कहते हैं. So I hope you people very well understood the concept of this, the classification of the economic activity, that is business, profession and employment. Okay, thank you beta. Thank you students.